Hey guys, welcome to a unusual video for the channel for now. Well, I've been wanting to do this for a while. I've seen some videos that are making this some kind of free energy, they call it, which is, I don't believe in such thing yet. We're not there yet. We might be one day, but for today, we're not there yet. So, they're claiming that if you point the light with a fully charged battery to the solar panel on these lights, you can have perpetual energy kind of free forever. And to me, that just didn't sit right. I went and got myself one of these things. Let me flip it on the other side. And no, this is not dirt, it's where the tape was, because they were somehow brighter than me and they decided to put the tape there. Here's the solar panel that it comes with. Here's the light. Here's the other stuff which we don't need for this video. Okay, so what they did, they put the solar panel this way and had the lights point to the solar panel. So the idea was, according to them, so you can have this perpetual light forever. I don't even understand. I don't even want to try it because I know it may not work. I'm still not saying it doesn't work 100% because I'm yet to try and I'm trying it now. Actually, they put their solar quite far from the lights so they could use it indoors and it would stay on, well, forever. And well, I'm about to try it just now with you, and we'll leave it on. I'll test the light that it actually works. As you see right here, let me turn off my other light. Yes, the light is on and it's going. So what they did, they placed it like that against the solar and supposedly it stays on forever. Well, let me plug in the solar. Well, let's see the claims, right? There's only one way to, we either learn it and use it for ourselves or debunk it so you don't have to waste your time doing what I'm doing right here. So I'm going to put the solar to give it a full chance really near the light right here. And as you guys can see, here's this cable that came with it. I'm going to put one of these things to hold this straight. This should be straight enough right now. Okay, I think that is perfect right now. And yes, this is an old battery bank, which, as you see, it's not connected to anything. It was just one of those that I extracted from an old drill. Okay, and everything is connected. If I turn this on, we should have perpetual light forever. Well, let's see about that claim, and I will leave it recording for however long it lasts, and you will see with me how long it will stay on, if it will really keep it perpetual light as they claim. Well, let's turn it on. I put it on test mode on the light so it doesn't turn off, so I don't need this whole sensor, whatever you call that, and it's shining light to the solar right now, which it should be getting light. And the only other light source is my room light, which is not really that bright, and my overhead light here will be off for the remainder of this video, just to see how long this light will stay on pointing to its own solar. Let's see it. our test is done, and as you see, the lights are next to nothing. They only kept going lower and lower and lower and lower, and it did not change anything when it came to the solar. And if you want to see it, yes, nothing has changed. So I would say it's quite debunked, the perpetual light claim. Let me turn this off. Is not a real thing. So I would suggest you don't waste your time hanging on this or relying on this kind of test or claim that some people are making, because it's not true. It's just simply not real, and that's not how electricity work or the photovoltaic systems work. Well, there is or might be another way to put a strong light to the solar, having a bigger solar to output at a smaller light. Maybe. That is a maybe. But to make a light like some of those videos, which I'm not going to name here, were claiming to make a triple setup, full LEDs. That's a lot of arrays here, right? LEDs inside to light up an entire night, or every night and every day, 24/7, just by shining light to their own solar panel, and somehow that would feed enough to charge up constantly the 18650 battery that's inside. It simply doesn't work that way. It's just impossible. And if you, any of you, have tried this and has been successful to make this perpetual light work, please let us all know. Please let us all know. And I will put your video anywhere in my channel anytime you want, because I am genuinely interested in perpetual energy, perpetual light, regenerative energy, kind of free energy, which I know is impossible, all that stuff. I'm genuinely interested. I love this stuff. But as for this setup here that they were claiming, I'm gonna say it's 100% fake, and it's 100% a lie. And with that said, I hope you learned something, and yes, don't waste your time. See you next time, and please subscribe, and bye!